Hi there, my name's JoHNNY Melville. This is ARTmosfera between Saragossa and Huesca in the middle of Spain, in Monegros in Spain. Jeff Johnson and I are going to be here from September the 21st to the 30th, and this is a video just to show you the place. It's fantastic. And this is going to be an amazing workshop where we're really going to go deep and get some really exciting stuff happening. 10-day intensive. This is the house, and here is the circus space, which is gigantic. It's got mats, trapeze, ropes, everything you need for circus training. So let's have a look at the house. But on the way, we're going to look at the workshop space, and here it is. So we come to the house, and staircase up to the next floor, which will go up in a minute, and here we go into the main kitchen, which we can see here, and here we have the downstairs corridor with the, probably Jeff will be sleeping here, I imagine. This is where I'll sleep with Carol. And now climbing up into the second floor where all the students will be sleeping in the various rooms here. So here's the first one with 3 beds. The next one has got 2 or 3. As you can see, it's all beautiful old wooden beams and very spacious and very nice to be in, I must say. And then at the end, the kitchen, the upstairs kitchen. Moving up onto the 3rd floor, which is where the tower is, a bit like a Hitchcock movie. If you saw Vertigo, this reminds me of Vertigo a lot. And as we go up to Vertigo land, this is also a kind of inspirational spot or a meditational spot, which we'll use for something for sure. And you can see the land stretching out on each side. September is still beautiful weather, apparently. It's not cold, except in the evenings it gets a bit chilly, but not in the least like in the north, nothing like that. And the days should be warm and sunny as well. And as we pan over the field here, you can just see the Pyrenees in the background. I urge you to book places as soon as possible. And if you look on this, you'll see the email address in which to register and send money to get your place on the workshop. But don't take long because places are filling up pretty fast. Both Jeff and I are looking forward to this workshop, and I know that we are looking forward to meeting you all too. We will be giving more information out soon. So don't worry, you'll learn more about the workshop. If you have any questions about it, just write to us at the email there. And we'll see you in September.